Have you ever ordered something online, closed the app, and then quietly wondered, how does this actually arrive so fast? Not in a magical way, not in a flashy way, but in a very real, very human way. Today, we're slowing down and calmly looking behind the scenes of something many of us use without thinking twice. In this video, we're going to understand the basics of Amazon's delivery system. This is not about praising or criticizing any company. It's about explaining the concept and structure behind how a massive delivery network works, especially how packages can arrive within a short time window. We'll break it down in simple terms, using everyday logic and clear examples. At its core, Amazon's delivery system is not about speed, it's about organization. Most people imagine one big warehouse shipping everything everywhere. That's not how it works. Instead, Amazon uses many smaller pieces working together. First, products are stored close to where people live, not far away. These storage locations are spread across regions, cities, and nearby areas. So when you click order, the product often isn't traveling across the entire country. It's already nearby, waiting. Second, the system is built around predicting demand, not reacting to it. Amazon doesn't wait for you to order something before thinking about where it should be stored. It uses patterns from past behavior to place items closer to where they're likely to be needed. This reduces unnecessary movement. Third, delivery is broken into small, controlled steps. One team handles storage, another handles sorting, another handles transportation, another handles the final drop-off. Each step is simple on its own, but when connected, they form a smooth flow. The system isn't rushing, it's prepared. That preparation is what creates the feeling of fast delivery. Think of this like a school cafeteria. If every student had to wait for food to be cooked after ordering, lunch would take hours. Instead, meals are prepared in advance based on what students usually choose. The food is already there. The line moves quickly, not because the cooks are rushing, but because the system was planned ahead of time. Amazon's delivery works the same way. The speed you experience is really the result of quiet planning, not last-minute effort. Here's the mindset shift that matters. Most people focus on the final moment, the box at the door, but powerful systems are built long before the result appears. Whether it's logistics, learning, health, or personal growth, results usually come from preparation, structure, and patience, not pressure. This isn't about comparing yourself to a company or copying a system. It's about noticing how small, consistent decisions create smoother outcomes over time. When we stop chasing speed and start understanding structure, we begin thinking more clearly and calmly. This is for educational purposes only. Amazon's delivery system feels fast because products are placed close to people. Demand is planned in advance, and each step is simple and organized. There's no magic, just preparation, structure, and coordination. Understanding systems like this helps us see how thoughtful design shapes everyday experiences. If this explanation helped you see something familiar in a new way, please consider liking the video. Your one like genuinely motivates me to create better and more valuable content for you. Thank you for being here and for learning calmly with me.